Welcome back, guys, to Frank Brock Art. I am BrianFBroxton, and here's another video. So thank you again for all my subscribers. I think I'm almost at 60. I think I have 59 or something like that. But hey, thanks again for tuning in again. So today is it's a little different. I'm working on a cartoon, and it's pretty much based off my son's idea. So he wanted me to do he was drawing like these little characters and stuff like that, which were really cute. And he was like, he wanted me to do like an animation. I was like, well, animation might take a lot of time, but I can sketch the characters out, in my style. I can kind of buff it out and see what it'll look like. So that's what I did. Let me show you what his characters, well, that's pretty much what I did. But he's a pretty good artist. He takes after his dad. So these are kind of like the characters he came up with, and he had names for all of them, and it was really cute. So I was like, well, I'll see what I can do. Let me see if I can put this, into a story or whatever. So I took his characters, and these are just a few that I kind of like roughed out. It's very rough. Please, excuse the roughness. It's all in blue pencil, whatever. I haven't done any final pencils yet. So yeah, I just started with the main character, which is the frog, or he calls him Froggy. So I took the main character, and I did this. I kind of made it, kind of gave him like some characteristics, different, behaviors and faces, and started working on his body to kind of simplify it, make it very simple, easy to draw, but I want to make it look cute, make it look nice. I'm still working on a little bit, and I may do like a series of creating the story, for him. So in this illustration or in this video, you'll see me definitely working on his character, definitely making, the whole story. I probably put it like on my Instagram, like as a kind of like a comic book page or whatever. So I'll pretty much be working on the character, all the character sketches of all the characters. Then I'm gonna work on, well, if I have enough time, because I want to kind of get to the story. But you got to work on the characters and make sure they look all similar, kind of like in style. And then so I guess I really needed kind of work on the characters first, and then maybe do the story after that. Once I have all the characters laid out, create the whole world and whatnot. It's going to be a process. So, just stay tuned. I hope you like it. And, it's a very simple kind of, shapes, and, it's a simple character. It's a frog. I went on Pinterest, kind of looked at, some different types of frogs to kind of get some ideas. And, this is what I came up with. So I hope you guys like it. Stay tuned for more of the Froggy show. There'll be more characters coming. I'll probably put this in Illustrator and, put some color to it, and, clean up the line work and all that stuff too. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.
wish I knew.